What's up, YouTube? Back to a Minecraft video. Last episode, I showed you my screen recorder. My amazing screen recorder. I love it so much. I can marry it. So we're in our mine. Playing Minecraft. Gravel is my friend. Gravel is my friend. No, I'm kidding. I hate gravel. Relax. Gravel sucks. Relax. Hello. Okay, so we're playing Minecraft. Minecraft. Whoa, ho, 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 ho. Here's slime. 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 And I noticed that in the middle screen, it always says screen flow recording demo. Yeah, I'm gonna lower the opacity on that so you guys can barely see it. And I'm hoping that can go away. And it probably most likely will. People don't know how to assassinate my buttocks. Steal from the food. They're trying to double team me. Moss around here. No, it's loud. My job says no to it. Get them cold. You know, it'd just be really nice to just fix the screen recorder with the opacity, because then I would love it. Like, seriously, this is no lag. I'm so happy for it. No lag whatsoever. It's like, whoa. Let's try something now. If this works, I'll be so happy if it's no lag. A little bit more. Yeah, I'll just change that. Let's have ooh, redstone. Is it worth it? Yeah, it's not. Let me do it. Got the experience, so the dungeon. I should really do something. I'm thinking maybe I'm doing something. I don't know. Run for the wings, shoot people. Oh god. Oh my god. I'm scared as fuck. What's done? Whoa, wait. What the heck? How is that even possible? What? This is my other spawner? I believe so. It's not this one. It's my secondary spawner. Oh my god, where did I go? There should be a ton of them here. Did I see despawn or something? Hello. Hello. It's deep. It's steep. Creeps. You ain't got nothing on me, creeps. Go creep. Gotta go. Oh, creeps. Creeps. You creeps. The creeps into me. I remember playing with Ben. He'll be back on. I should do enough over. Because he doesn't have a YouTube video, or a YouTube account. If he had a YouTube account and he had a computer, we could just play on a server together. But he doesn't have those things, those utilities, so we can't. But he's setting up for a Mac, just like mine. And I hope we can actually get it, because that'll be so much fun. Play Minecraft together. Thing we love doing. Okay. Okay, have I been here before? Okay. Okay. Sorry about the pause. Decided to use something for a minute. Okay, that's it for this episode. Guys, it's over. It's freaking over. I can't believe I'm spazzing out. But goodbye, YouTube. Goodbye. I forgot how to end the video.